Picture this. You sit down to work, and 2 hours later you've finished what normally takes you 2 full days. No distractions, no procrastination, no let me just check my phone real quick. You didn't use motivation, you didn't use willpower, you used something way better. This is how to become insanely productive, even if your brain feels like it runs on dial-up internet. Section 1. Forget discipline. Stop trying to be more disciplined. Seriously, just stop. Everyone preaches discipline like it's the answer to everything. Just be more disciplined. Just push through. And look, I get it. But here's the problem. I can't even discipline myself to go to bed on time, and you expect me to build an empire on discipline alone? Here's what nobody tells you. Productivity isn't about brute force. It's about building invisible systems that make your lazy self accidentally win. Think about it like this. You don't rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your environment design. So instead of trying harder, we're going to design smarter. When the productive choice becomes the easiest choice, you win by default. That's the game we're playing today. Section 2. Make your phone boring. Let's address the biggest productivity killer in your pocket right now, your phone. Want to enter focus mode? Turn that thing into a brick. Here's what you do. Delete every app that doesn't either pay your bills or teach you something valuable. Social media? Put it in a folder called Distraction Prison, or just delete it completely. Set screen time limits like you're your own strict parent. When that timer hits 0, the app locks, no exceptions. But here's the nuclear option that changed everything for me. Grayscale mode. Make your entire phone black and white. Why does this work so well? Because those bright colors are designed by psychologists to grab your attention. Remove the color, and suddenly scrolling feels as exciting as reading a phone book from 1987. This isn't about punishment. It's about making your phone a tool instead of a toy. When Instagram looks boring, you naturally spend less time there. Simple but devastatingly effective. Section 3. Win your morning. Most people wake up and immediately grab their phone. They scroll through notifications, check messages, read news that stresses them out, and wonder why they feel anxious before breakfast. You just gave away the most powerful hour of your day to algorithms and other people's problems. Here's the morning protocol that'll change everything. I call it Wake and Win. First 30 minutes? 0 phone contact, none. The world can wait. Minute 1. Chug water like you're trying to flood a desert. Your body's dehydrated. Fix that immediately. Minutes 2 through 7. Move your body, stretch, walk, shadow box your problems, dance badly. Anything that tells your body we're awake and ready to perform. Minutes 8 through 15. Write down 3 things you're going to destroy today. Not 47 things. 3 specific wins. This tells your brain, we're not just surviving today, we're winning. By the time you touch your phone, you've already won the morning. You're operating from strength, not reaction. This simple shift probably adds 10 productive hours to my week. That's more than an entire workday just from protecting my first 30 minutes. Section 4. The deep work block. Here's where real productivity lives. Not in multitasking, not in checking email 67 times. In deep, uninterrupted work blocks. Here's the protocol. Block, lock, execute. Choose one task, the most important one that actually moves your goals forward. Set a 90-minute timer. Why 90? Because that's roughly how long your brain can maintain peak focus before needing a break. Put on headphones with instrumental music. No lyrics. Lyrics compete with your language processing. Turn on Do Not Disturb. Put your phone in another room. Close every browser tab except what you need. For the next 90 minutes, you do nothing else. No email, no messages, no quick social media checks, nothing. After 90 minutes, take a real break. Stand up, walk, hydrate, stretch. Give your brain actual rest. Then if you've got energy, do another block. 2 or 3 of these blocks per day, you'll accomplish more than most people do in a week. When it's like entering the Matrix. But instead of dodging bullets, you're dodging distractions. The difference between scattered work and focused work is absolutely massive. This is where the magic happens. Section 5. Focus triggers. Let me teach you a brain hack that elite performers use. Focus triggers. You're going to train your brain like Pavlov's dog, but instead of drooling for food, you're locking into productivity mode. Here's how it works. Every single time you start a deep work session, do the exact same things in the exact same order. Same chair, same playlist, same hoodie. Yes, the productivity hoodie is real. Light the same candle. Drink the same type of coffee or tea. The specific ritual doesn't matter. The consistency does. At first, it feels silly, but after 2 weeks of repetition, something incredible happens. Your brain recognizes the pattern. When you sit in that chair and put on that hoodie, your brain automatically knows, oh, it's work time, and shifts into focus mode. You've created a neurological shortcut, a fast pass to productivity, no motivation needed. It's like muscle memory for work. I use the same coffee mug for every deep work session. Sounds ridiculous, but after months of this, just holding that mug sharpens my focus. It's basically a superpower. Section 6, gamify your work. Your brain loves games, points, streaks, levels, rewards. So let's hijack that addiction for productivity. Build a daily streak tracker. Every deep work block you complete equals 1 point. Hit 5 points in a day? Perfect score. Unlock a reward. Maybe your favorite dessert, an episode of a show, or guilt-free gaming time. String together 7 perfect days. Level up to a bigger reward. A nice meal, a new book, whatever motivates you. But here's the key. Miss a day, streak resets. Not as punishment, but to create real stakes. Use a whiteboard, a spreadsheet, an app, whatever works. Just make your progress visible. Why does this work? Because boredom doesn't kill productivity. Lack of visible progress does. Your brain isn't motivated by distant goals 5 years away. But seeing a 6-day streak and knowing you're 1 day from a reward, that creates immediate action. Plus, every point is proof you're showing up. That visual evidence is incredibly powerful for building momentum. You're not just working, you're winning. Section 7, energy over time. Here's the biggest truth bomb. You don't need more time, you need more energy. Think about it. You could have 10 free hours, but if you're exhausted and running on fumes, you're getting nothing done. You'll just stare at screens and accomplish zero. Energy is the hidden fuel behind every productive day, so protect it like a CEO. First, sleep. 7 to 8 hours minimum. Non-negotiable. Everyone brags about their 4-hour sleep schedules, but those people aren't productive. They're just tired and making terrible decisions. Second, move your body. Even 10 minutes makes a massive difference. Your brain and body aren't separate. When your body is dead all day, your mental energy crashes too. Third, fuel properly. You don't need perfect nutrition, but the basics matter. Eat real food, stay hydrated. Don't survive on sugar and caffeine alone. Fourth, dump your brain regularly. Journal, talk to someone, meditate, whatever works. Your mind needs to process stress and release it. When your energy is high, everything becomes easier. Focus happens naturally. Motivation shows up on its own. Work feels less like torture and more like challenge. No energy equals no focus. No focus equals no results. No results equals sadness plus doom scroll spiral. Manage your energy first. Section 8, theme your days. Let's kill another productivity myth. Multitasking is fake. What you call multitasking is actually just sucking at 5 things at once. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses momentum. It can take 20 minutes to regain deep focus after one distraction. So here's the fix. Theme your days. Monday equals study only. All learning, reading, courses happen. Monday. Tuesday equals create mode. Writing, building, making stuff. Wednesday equals admin day. Emails, calls, scheduling, boring necessary stuff. Thursday equals create mode again. Friday equals review and planning. What did we accomplish? What's next week look like? When each day has a clear theme, you eliminate decision fatigue. You're not waking up wondering what to work on. You already know. It's creation day. That's what Tuesdays are for. This also lets you batch similar work together. Your brain gets into a groove and stays there instead of constantly switching gears. The result? Way more output with way less mental exhaustion. That's how productive people actually operate. Closing. Listen, you are not lazy. You're not broken. You're not missing some special productivity gene. You've just been using tools that don't match how your brain actually works. But now you've got the cheat codes. Make your phone boring so it stops stealing your attention. Win your morning before the world claims it. Build deep work blocks where real progress happens. Use triggers to activate focus on command. Gamify your work to keep your brain engaged. Prioritize energy over time. Theme your days to eliminate decision fatigue. These aren't just random tips. This is a complete system. And when you actually implement it, you'll accomplish things that surprise even you. People will ask how you're getting so much done. You'll try to explain, but they won't believe you because it sounds too simple. That's fine. Let your results speak. Here's your assignment. Don't try everything at once. That's overwhelming. Pick one strategy, just one. Implement it this week, master it, then add another. Sustainable productivity isn't built overnight. It's built one system at a time. Drop a comment letting me know which hack you're trying first. And if you want more content on building systems that actually work, hit subscribe. Now go build your productivity system. Your future self is counting on you.